Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some paintings to share with you today from GBFKE. They let me go for a browse on their site. So let's have a look at what I went for today. Oh, can we get in that one? We can. Let's go for this one first. So this is a special diamond painting, so it is a partial. You do diamond paint on these flowers in the background, but you don't diamond paint on this cream. And then of course you do the cats, but they look, I don't know whether they look like they're contemplating cats. That's what their eyes look like to me, like they're contemplating. So you get 11 different diamonds with this. The canvas size is just short of 25 for the printed design by 25. So that would be your finished space. You do get a toolkit with a boat wax and pen. And there is 11 different diamonds with this one. Some are rhinestones and some are a little bit different. So we have some AB coated blue is one of them. Number one. Oh, so that is actually, a lot of that is around the head of this one, around the head of this one. Excuse me. So it does some of the outlines and some of the outlines on the tail and stuff. Then we have some pink. It's like a dusty pink and some purple. Actually, maybe it's like a lilac. A bit between the two. We have some burgundy red. And we have some bright red. Gorgeous aqua blues, and then we do have some yellow special shapes. We have some silver circles, we have some red circles, and we have some pearlized teardrops as well. So you do get 4 special shaped diamonds with it as well, that do spread out between the cats. Between the contemplating cats, they're thinking about life or food, one or the other. Okay, diamond painting number 2. Can I get in this one as well? Not fit tougher, but yes I can. I'll put my scissors on my right, otherwise I will confuse myself if I put them anywhere else. Can I get it out? Oh, there we go. Seems to have got stuck on the side of the bag. So this one is a full diamond painting. I'm dreaming of spring, is what this one is. I'm dreaming for spring and hoping that it will arrive soon. Oh wow, this has 30 colours. So there's 30 colours in this painting. It does have DMC numbers. That is a lot of colours. For a 30 by 40, that's a decent amount of colours. There is quite a bit of shading in the likes of the leaves and the flowers as well. So there's quite a few, even though it's a pink flower, there's quite a few pinks that make up that flower. The painting area is 25 by 35 and the symbols are all letters and numbers. But if you have a look, even in that purple, there is 4, 5, maybe 6 different types. Has got a little bit of pink in it, but when you go round, there's quite a few, and that's not including the middle. For the pink, there is quite a lot of different symbols and shades to make up the pink. Same for the orange, and the same for the green. So it's got a really nice variety of colours. You do get a toolkit with some bonus of some baggies. Let's have a look at the type of colours. Oh, they already look so vibrant, don't they? If I just move, look at this while I undo this. Just, wow, look at those. Look at those colours. We got some colour. So we've got oranges, blues, we have got some darker greens, but we've got some lighter greens as well. That is an amazing selection. Let's see if I can just, while they were playing ball. Oh, look at those. nice yellows and pinks. Gorgeous. More turquoise, pinks, greens, some black, and quite a few different purples in there as well. Amazing. And I'm trying to pick up these diamonds and I'm managing to get stuck to the bag in the process. Okay, if you could all just please nestle inside that bag nicely, that will do me good, because I don't want to get you mixed up with what is potentially the next one. But yeah, quite a nice amount of colours for that. And of course we've got a couple of butterflies and a dragonfly as well, to bring us please to spring. I love spring. It's probably my favourite season. Okay, and then number 3, we've gone, I think this is a bit bigger, this one, if I remember rightly. Yes, so this is a 30 by 60. So it's still the same width as these others, but it is longer. This one has 24 colours, so it obviously needs less than the flowers, but it is looking quite confetti. Let's go this way. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So we've got like a cosmic type background with a feather on the front. It uses all letters for its 24 colours, and it does come with DMC numbers. But yeah, there is some blockiness in the background, but then there's also quite a bit that isn't. And then of course there's the pattern that you follow through on the feather. But it'll definitely keep you interested. What's the size of this one? What's the true size? And you could actually orientate this either way. So this is 54.5 centimetres by 25 centimetres. This is one of those, I'd probably put it that way, yeah, that would look nice above a door jar if you have that gap above the door. It's quite nice. I've got a few places that have some decor or a diamond painting there. You do get a toolkit with a boat wax pen, and the diamonds are in baggies. So here we go. Look at those purples and pinks, and we've got some blues, greens, more pinks and yellows, even some brown. That's actually around here. There's some brown around here and some brown here, and there's actually a little bit scattered in around here as well. So maybe you wouldn't think that, but there is. And the image still looks stunning. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, gorgeous colours for that one. So thank you GBFKE for letting me go for a browse. I've gone for a little bit. It's quite a bright colour selection this time, isn't it? Dreaming of spring and nice bright colours, and some thinking cats, contemplating cats. But I will pop links to everything down below in case you fancy any of these for yourself or just fancy a browse. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.